There is sizzle and there is fun. This is the culinary arena and you are watching IAM Future Chef Goa 2019, where young chefs will try to impress our judges and stand a chance to win the title. Who will impress? Who will take away the prize money? Who will win? All those questions will be answered in this episode. In the last episode, we saw the journey of IAM Future Chef Goa 2019 as the top 20 battled it out to be in the top 10, a step closer to their dream. After conquering the semi-final stage, it's now time to reveal the top 10. Nutan Patil, Shahjahan Sheikh, Riyaz Sayed, Janushka Fernandez, Megha Gunjikar, Leo Afonso, Ijaz Mulla, Jinesha Traveso, Kajal Tiwari and Deepak Thakur.
I would just like to thank you all. It was a very nice competition and it's good to see that so many girls have participated, and I hope you all also enjoyed and it was a learning for you all, and maybe all of you will not be reaching the top 10, but anyway it was a very good effort on your part, and participating is more important to come up ahead in this kind of competition, and we will definitely take this ahead and see more number of participants coming, many more schools competing, and I hope you all will enjoy and take this as a memory for you.
And I also hope that you all keep cooking, right? It is very important for you to keep cooking if you want to excel, and at the same time, if you want to make it a profession or you want to just cook for fun, you should still keep cooking.
And that's not all. All top 20 participants were awarded Certificate of Appreciation.
And it has been a great experience judging the competition, seeing talent from varied backgrounds. I've been invited here time and again to judge different competitions, and I think these competitions really showcase talent of the future chefs of India, and may the best chef win.
First of all, I would like to thank IAM people for inviting me here. It was a great experience, and the contest, it was amazing. The very fact that they were given the ingredients on the spot, they had to decide how to prepare the dish. It was really amazing. I have no words for that, and they really organized it very well. So hats off to them. Speaking through experience, this hotel industry, it's really flourishing. I have my own students who work on the board, on board the ship, and they really excel, they do very well, and they earn much more than what we do. So I appreciate their efforts and all that they have done to organize this competition. May God bless them all the best.
I've been associated with this competition organized by IAM for the past 5 years. I think it's 5 years back that they first came up with this competition. To tell all of you, frankly, it was so exciting. The very first time that I actually came here, I basically am a person who loves cooking. So that is how I got interested in this. And then we had a great time doing the preliminary rounds in our institution, where our students were very excited. In fact, our teachers also were very excited. The students had a great time at the institution. The teachers from IAM with their students had come, and they had a judging round there, and then the round started at the venue at the campus, which again was very nice because it gave the students a mind-blowing experience, something so totally different from what they were used to. I would like to thank the management and the teachers and staff and students of IAM for having put together this beautiful competition. They put in a lot of effort, I know, and make it very pleasant and wonderful experience to all those who come here. It's not only the students, even the parents and the teachers who come here are looked after very well. True to the profession that they are in, they make us really feel wonderful.
Well, the competition has just got steamier, and this top 10 budding chefs will spill their magic for one last time to impress our judges. The real competition of the top 10 future chefs will start from here. They get dressed to impress in their chef coat, getting the look and attitude for the culinary war. The top 10 are gearing up for the battle at IAM Future Chef Goa 2018 Grand Finale. They don't seem to be nervous, but confident. The positions have been taken, the buddies are there to assist, and one final briefing by the chef starts.
Okay, participants, good afternoon once again. I'm sure you've gone through your recipes and I'm sure you're ready to roll. Are you? Fantastic. I can see the smiles and that gives me a very good positive vibe. You know that you will get 2.5 hours to cook and you have to present 2 portions of starter, main course and a dessert. And your 2.5 hours start now.
And the race to the coveted prize has begun. By the end of this episode, we will get the winner who will set his or her journey in the culinary ride to impress the world. The participants by now are comfortable with the pantry and where exactly to find things needed. Without wasting much of time, they set to conquer their dreams. The pace is up and the stakes are higher this time. Clock ticks and so does the rush begins. This is their last chance to impress the judges with their creation and win the IAM Future Chef Goa 2019.
You already roasted your chicken. So now you're preparing for your chasseur. Wonderful. Wonderful, Janisha. I think you need to kind of speed up a little bit on the potatoes, maybe some more color on the potatoes, and rest everything looks perfectly all right. All the best. Yes, I can see that your chicken is already sauteed. This is your starter. Wonderful. Are you giving a dip with this or a sauce with this? With the starter? Are you giving, what are you giving? The vegetables? Oh, okay, wonderful. So are you preparing for the potatoes now? Good. Oh, so chicken and potatoes together. Wonderful. Very good, job plan you have. Are you serving a sauce along with the starter? Chutney, green chutney along with it. Your chicken is done already? Okay, so your potatoes. So are you working on your, what are you going to do with your potatoes? Are you going to turn them with a cutter? With your hand? But this is too big. You need to prune it. Okay, and then, you should make sure that all of them are similar sizes. Okay? Otherwise, your chicken is good, your mise en place is ready. Very good. So you're ready, almost there. Just be careful because the potatoes can take really good amount of time. You have another 1 hour with you, 1 hour 10 minutes. Going strong, your potatoes are done. Did you check your potatoes, Nupur? Are they cooked? Oh wow, excellent, excellent. Some more cooking is required. Yes, wonderful. So your chicken is in the sauteing process. Your sauce is about ready. What is this?
Veg cheese.
Okay, so you're making croquettes. Wonderful, excellent. Excellent. Nutan Tanaji Patel. And your dessert is already in the fridge. Wonderful, excellent. Okay, if you continue like this, I think you should be able to finish ahead of a lot of them. What about your potatoes? Oh, they're getting ready. What are you giving as a starter?
I'm going to veg balls.
You're going to do veg balls. Are you going to give some sauce with your veg balls?
Yeah, I'll make it.
Okay. So, तुम्हारा मुर्गी का दो ही टांग था क्या? हैं? अच्छा. Where is the rest of the chicken? Oh, it's already seared and kept. Okay, I was worried. I thought where did the other two pieces? Okay, so you are on time. Your mise en place is ready. Tomatoes are chopped. Mushrooms are there. Okay, just work a little more faster, and you just have just over 1 hour left. Okay, I think your chicken, these pieces of chicken are almost cooked, so you can actually remove them, otherwise they'll get overcooked. What are you doing for your starter, Janishka?
Cheese filled
Oh wow! So have you started working on it already? No?
yeah.
Oh, very good. So finish your chicken casserole. Your potatoes seem to be done. Okay, I think you're on time. You have 1 more hour to go. You will finish on time. Are you confident? Good. Very good. All the best. क्या हाल है ठाकुर? What are you making?
Chicken chili with garlic Asian sauce.
Okay, so you for the starter.
Yes.
Okay, so what about your main course? Have you started your main course? Chicken is done.
Yeah, chicken.
Okay, so what about your potatoes?
And potatoes remaining half I
Okay, you already started doing your potatoes. What about your dessert? Your dessert is already inside. You're making now preparation for the sauce.
started.
Okay, starter. So what about the sauce of the chicken? You will do after this. Are you continuously looking at the recipe?
No, first I read, no.
Oh, you read, now you know. Oh, very good. The tomato is ready, onion is there, potatoes are getting ready.
Yeah.
What do you have? Only 3 pieces of potatoes?
Yeah, I got small piece, so I kept this one.
IAM Future Chef Goa is the place where one has first-hand industry experience. They get to feel the heat of the competition. Sometimes under pressure, you end up forgetting to add things. But Chef Kak and Sangeeta were there to support and ask his buddy to fetch.
I think you need to have at least 4 because you need to plate 2 plates, no? So you need to. So you take 1 more potato. Give him 1 more potato. You make 1 more, okay? Otherwise your plate will be incomplete.
They both and the team at IAM have been grooming new talent with some motivational words while they are here for the competition.
Prawns patties.
Prawns patties and cutlets. Very good.
And with that carrot sauce.
With carrot sauce. How? What's the combination? Means something very different. I thought you were going to be making somewhere use of this there.
Oh, so this is carrot sauce. So are you going to flavor the sauce with something new?
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent.
Where did you learn the carrot sauce?
I learn my own when my mom is in abroad now, so she comes when in Goa, she teaches us.
She is where?
In abroad.
Oh, she works in Dubai. Oh, good.
Very nice. Carrot sauce, huh? Not bad. Very good. Good.
He has done the fondant potatoes also nice.
Yeah, very nice. The shapes are very good.
Make 1 more. Good. I think you should. It's ready to be turned over. Yeah, it's ready to be turned over. And you need to make 1 more, huh?
Yeah.
already seared, okay? Yeah, okay. So you're preparing for the sauce now? Yeah. Okay, so potatoes are done. Where is your starter? Are you working? Oh, it's there, getting ready. So what is your starter going to be?
Veg fry, sauté, chicken fry, prawn.
Oh,
So all are fried.
so she's basically making assortment of fries. So sautés.
Any sauce are you serving?
I don't know yet. I'll just see if I can.
Okay. Thank you, Megha. Best of luck.
Final few minutes and it will all come down to evaluation at IAM Future Chef Goa 2019.
Okay, participants, the last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop cooking. Okay, see you at the tasting now.
IAM Future Chef Goa 2019 saw panel of judges along with visiting guests. For the judging process, we had Chef Sundar Sudarshan, Executive Chef Planet Hollywood, Pratiksha Desai, Chief Mentor and Faculty Food Production IAM Goa, Sangeeta Biswas, Chief Mentor and Faculty Food Production IAM Goa, Shruti Deva, Chief Mentor and Faculty Food Production IAM Goa. The entire proceedings were looked after by Chef Kak. Final preparations and they will lead their way for the judging. And here they come as they all walk their way with their creation.
Okay, what is this dip?
That's lemon zest and mint.
And made with mayonnaise? No, what is the base? Mayonnaise. You made the mayonnaise or you took the ready-made mayonnaise? Took ready-made mayonnaise. French fries you made or it's ready-made? What is your favorite dish? What do you like to cook? Making chicken recipes, okay. You don't like your mother's food? For me, the mother is the best chef in the world. No one can touch mother. No one can touch mother's cooking.
From her.
Whenever you're doing dressing, right? Dressing has to accompany. You should, like how you have, if you are eating omelette, how you are eating with ketchup. Similarly, it should match. This color looking nice, the presentation looking nice, but what you missed is the seasoning. Again, you forgot to put salt. Without salt, you forgot or? But you have to put salt. No, without salt, how can you? I know, spicy means anything other than dessert, you need salt, right?
Okay, hash brown with sauteed vegetables. Okay. For sauteing, what you have used? Sauteing the vegetables, what you have used? Butter. Have you made this dessert first? No, first time you are making. Any of the dish you have prepared first? Good, very good.
You like lettuce, you put lettuce here, you put lettuce here, everywhere you like lettuce. So it's all fries. You have written assorted fries. Chicken, prawn. And what dressing? Tartar and tomato. So you know a little bit of cooking. So where did you learn? You using the right terms at home. So your mother cooks very well. So you also, I think, like lettuce a lot. Lettuce here, lettuce here. What happened with the potato? Why so little potato? Everyone has what big chunks of potato, but it's cooked properly.
What is your starter? Prawn cutlets with carrot sauce. This is carrot sauce. How did you prepare it?
I chopped the carrot, then I grind it with salt, pepper. Later I saute with salt, pepper, and it I steam it. It's my own sauce.
It's your own sauce. Wow. And this is whole prawn or prawn mince? Whole prawn.
Any flavoring for the fondant potato? Was there any flavoring? Any flavoring was there in the recipe? Chicken chili dry with Asian sauce. What is your Asian sauce about? Red chilies and and salt. Okay.
Megha, what did you make, Megha? Assortment of crispies. What is the mustard sauce, right? Okay. Your plates look well designed and plated nicely. Good.
We are finally, after the mega finals of IAM Future Chef Goa 2019, we are in the award ceremony. During the day today, we saw fantastic cooking skills. We saw a lot of resilience. We saw a lot of hard work. We saw a lot of practice that had gone into this competition over the last 6 months. And we have with us the top 10 of the IAM Future Chef Goa 2019. Out of a good 800 students all across since September this year, we zeroed in on 200 and then on the top 20 today this morning, and in the afternoon we were with our top 10. And now we come to the most important part of the event, and I'm sure all of you have been looking forward to this for the last so many months. I just want to add that there is a very important element into this competition. Like many other competitions that we at IAM do all across the country, this is a competition which looks at promoting cooking as a life skill. Students, those who are studying and participating now are into the 12th standard. Very soon you will be out into the open, into engineering colleges, into catering colleges, into going into medicine or any other profession, and I'm sure many of you will end up in hostels. So the priority here is basically to promote cooking as a life skill, like cycling, maybe driving a bike, maybe swimming, and that is the prime importance of this competition. Other than that, it is also a competition which promotes talent as far as cooking as a culinary art is concerned, and this is the prime reason why this basic competition was inaugurated many years back. And today it is in the 7th, 8th year of the competition, and we have seen some wonderful careers being built over the last 7-8 years, and all the students who go up to the level of the finals finally somehow find their calling in the culinary trade or in the hotel management industry or somewhere else and make a great future for themselves. So there was a very large panel of judges in the semi-finals and the finals today, and they have finally signed on a check of 1 lakh rupees that is going to go to any one of these and a fantastic trophy. And it's been a great experience. It's been a lot of excitement over the last many months, and we are already looking forward to the next session next year. And all of you, we wish you a great future, and we would like all of you to keep cooking. I would ask Ma'am Shabnam to say a few words about the competition in general, and of course a few words of encouragement for all of you.
The top 10 stars of Goa. I must congratulate you, all of you, to have reached this position, competing through so many participants. You have heard already that we have had gone through about 800 students participating from all schools in Goa, and finally we got them over here, about 200 of them. From there you've crossed the top 20 and reached the top 10. So whether you are the winner or the first runner-up or second runner-up, that is immaterial. You are the winners. The top 10, you are the winners. And this winning that you have done over here, the first step, this is going to take you much, much ahead in future. I am sure if you take this up as a career or as your passion, cooking actually is a binding factor. It unites with people because the food of different culture is exchanged. The food that you are preparing here is served somewhere else in different parts of the world. So that is one uniting factor, that is one binding factor through which we can culturally bind each other. The states, the countries, they bind through food. That is something we can impress people, that is through the stomach, the food. And you all have done excellently over here. It was really a tough competition for the chefs to finally decide, but definitely there has to be one winner, but that does not mean that the others are any way less. They all are good and you all are stars, and at least the top 10 stars of Goa you are. Thank you. So to declare first the best dessert. Winner of best dessert is Janisha Travaso. Shall we declare the next one is with the best starter is Shah Jahan Sheikh. And now the winners. The second runner-up is Janushka Fernandez. And then the first runner-up. Who is he? Who is she? Oh, he is Leo Alfonso. And the winner is no one but Riaz Saeed.
That is the end of IAM Future Chef Goa 2019. For this year, we are already looking forward to the next edition of IAM Future Chef Goa. Hope to see you soon on television and off television, and we want to see a lot more talent come and exhibit their talent on TV and off TV for the next session. Thank you very much and see you soon.
Well, that's all from this edition of IAM Future Chef Goa 2019. We will be back again next year with yet another fun-filled extravagant show in the culinary arena by IAM. Till then, keep on tantalizing your taste buds and do visit our campus.